Hey, let's go. I absolutely love good barbecue, and One Night Stand Food Truck is serving just that using fresh local meat.
Just putting good quality food out there, not cutting corners. You know, you really can't cut corners of barbecue. You cut corners, it'll show. That's why you got to spend the time.
Owner Bob Watts specializes in Texas-style barbecue.
So what's the difference between Texas style and things that I've heard like Kansas City?
The only ingredients is salt and pepper, and that's all we use.
That's it?
That's it. Just salt and pepper and let the meat shine. None of our stuff comes sauced, and that's the way people like it. You get stuff with sauce already, somebody's trying to hide something possibly. But
Now let's see what people think about One Night Stand's brisket sandwich.
Do you like barbecue?
Yes.
Love good barbecue.
I don't normally go to barbecues because they have too much sauce and that's all I can taste.
You only use sauce if you're trying to hide the flavor.
I'd never eat a steak with sauce. That's an insult to anybody who's grown the meat.
And if you have to ask for A1, it's not a good steak restaurant.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and have you try that brisket sandwich for me.
This is delicious.
That's like the first time I heard Led Zeppelin.
That's a life-changing moment.
Oh, yeah.
for you.
I could eat this every day.
It tastes like perfection. It's just really, really great.
It kind of melts in your mouth.
I don't even need teeth to eat this.
It's done with care.
I love it.
Would you recommend this to your friends?
Yeah.
I know I won't find this anywhere else.
I think everybody should come and check out One Night Stand.